Hi, welcome to Yoga with AJ. We'll be practicing upper body strengthening postures today. So you're going to strengthen your shoulders, your arms, even your back and your core. And we'll be doing some poses to open up the upper body energy centers. So let's get started. Lie down on your back, bend the knees. Make sure your entire back is flat on the floor, no gaps, no arches. Rest the neck completely. So your hands are resting on the floor or you're holding on wherever you feel comfortable. Knees are hip width apart and they stay hip width apart. Don't let them go out. Inhale deeply, raise the hips. Bring them up as high as you can. See if you can bring them up so high that your chest comes into your chin. Check in with your lower back. It shouldn't be feeling crunched. It shouldn't be feeling painful. If you're feeling like this is too much of a stretch for you, come lower. Be safe. Feel the outer thighs rolling in so that your knees are still parallel to each other. Now, if you're feeling comfortable here or higher and you feel like you could stretch a little bit more, you could take your block and gently place it just above your tailbone. So it's not in your lower back, it's lower than that, just where the tailbone ends. It shouldn't be poking you in the back. Make it nice and strong, adjusted the way you want, and then just hold the pose. If you don't have a block, continue to hold the pose. If you get very tired, you can bring your hips down, staying here for just 10 more seconds. Relax your jaw, relax the skin around your forehead. Take a nice long inhalation, exhale fully, staying there 5 more seconds. Hold on to that block. Release it. Bring your hips down. If you have released the pose already, hug your knees into your chest to release your lower back. And you can gently rock to the side if you want. Massaging your hip, massaging your lower back against the floor. Or you can make little circles with your knees. Rolling one way, then the other. And come back. Bring the knees down, bring the feet down to the floor. Remember to stay connected with yourself till then and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.